Do you know what happens inside your body during the first 10 minutes of exercise? The moment you start working out, your body instantly switches into a rapid survival upgrade mode. Within seconds, your brain signals your heart to pump faster so oxygen can reach your muscles more quickly, helping them keep going before fatigue kicks in. Your breathing becomes deeper, your lungs expand to take in more air, and your blood vessels widen to speed up circulation. Inside your muscles, tiny power plants called mitochondria suddenly ramp up energy production. Your body temperature rises, sweat glands get ready to cool you down, and your nervous system speeds up reaction time. In just 10 minutes, oxygen delivery in your body can increase several times compared to when you're at rest. Your body transforms into a sharp, high-energy machine. That's why the first few minutes of exercise feel the hardest, but also the most powerful. When you move your body, even more internal upgrades begin to happen. Are you giving your body enough time to unlock them? Subscribe for more.